how to get a refund from Foodpanda. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get a refund from Foodpanda. First, open your Foodpanda application on your mobile device. Then, navigate to the food delivery section. Next, choose any restaurant or bakery from the list. Select a food item from the menu. After that, tap on Add to Cart. Then, click on View Your Cart. Now tap on Confirm Payment and Address. Select your preferred payment method. Next, tap on Confirm Address. Confirm your location by tapping on the option. Tap on Save and Continue. Proceed by tapping on Place Order. If you wish to cancel your order after it's confirmed, tap on Help from the top right corner. Then select Can I cancel my order? And choose your reason. Confirm the cancellation by tapping on Yes. You will see a confirmation message indicating that your order has been successfully canceled. To inquire about a refund, tap on Help again. Search for Refund and select I haven't received my refund. Note that refund processing time varies depending on your payment method, bank, and other factors. Review your payment account and bank statement to confirm if the refund has been processed. If you still haven't received your refund within the expected period, reach out to support. Provide details such as your order number or transaction ID and the payment method used. Finally, tap on Start a Chat with the support team to initiate contact. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.